It was a bright and peaceful morning. Aliza and Lizna were fast asleep when something strange happened.
Aliza! Wake up! Teddy is flying! Flying? Teddy bears cannot fly, Lizna. Whoa! Our toys really are floating! Maybe Teddy has become a superhero. I don't think it's only Teddy. Look around. Ta-ta-ta-ta. Aliza. The water escaped. Water normally falls downward, but today, nothing is falling. Flying breakfast! Something must be wrong with gravity. What is gravity? Gravity is an invisible force that pulls everything toward Earth. I got it! Aliza, I'm flying too. Hold my hand, Lizna. I've got you. Now we're both flying. Without gravity, we could float away. Oops. We bumped the ceiling. That light is coming from our science room. Push the wall and we'll move the other way. It's like swimming in space. Warning! Earth's gravity energy has been interrupted. The computer can talk. Computer, how can we restore gravity? Restart the gravity core by pulling the red lever. There's a secret door. Stay close to me. We'll fix gravity together. Wow. Move slowly. Don't bump into anything. I stopped us. That must be the gravity core. We can use that rail.
almost there. Keep holding on.
I can reach it now. It's stuck. I need your help. Together. 1, 2, 3. Pull. We did it! My feet are on the floor.
Gravity restored. The Earth is safe again.
Walking feels funny after floating. Everything is back where it belongs. We saved gravity together. Gravity pulls everything toward the Earth. Is that why we come back down? Yes, gravity keeps us safely on the ground.
Gravity, gravity pulls us down, keeps our feet upon the ground. Jump up high and what do you see? Gravity brings you back gently.